Oruç. Hızır. İlyas. Where are you guys? Oruç. Hızır.
He mumbles the names of his brothers. Almost like they're able to come and help him.
Where?
Once he eventually comes to, he'll truly face the facts.
Hızır. İlyas. Don't you hear me? Hızır.
Did you see that? He finally came to. I heard that you are not like your marauder brothers. I've heard that you're not quite fond of the sea. You have the audacity to live a good life on the island which you Muslims took from us. The heroic sons of Genova, yet you hate the sea. I'll have to make you get used to the sea slowly.
How do you know? How do you know I don't like the sea? Who gave you so much information about us? Which traitor helped you? Who has my family's blood on their hands?
Please lower him.
Tell me!
You'll get reunited with your brothers again soon, don't worry about it.
Tell me!
Not even death will separate you all.
Alexandria.
Throwing dice is nothing like rocking a cradle. You should go home and look after the kids. Huh? Just go home and watch the kids.
You are cheating. It's called a load of dice.
Oh, don't lie to me. I'm offended.
You are cheating. With these loaded dice, of course you get to win.
Oh, come on now. Come on now.
Jafir, it failed. The slaves failed.
Where are you going? The game's not over.
I won't be around for a few days. Don't talk to anyone.
Okay. Can I play?
Jafar Effendi. Isn't it too early? The inn should just be getting warmed up. Why run like a cat with its tail on fire?
Captain. The question should be who he is running from. Then you'll get the real answer.
I don't understand a single word you've said. Why are you even questioning me?
We won't question. We won't this time. I'll let you go today. But if I hear you're showing such misbehavior again, I won't hesitate. I'll have your head.
Whoever did you wrong, go mess with them. I don't know your issue, I can't help. Just go your own way.
And you still deny, you filthy jackal.
I said my piece. The rest is all up to you, mate.